Hello dear students, welcome back in this online classes of PG Senior Secondary School Captainganj. Today I am going to teach about 1 and onto function, and we illustrate this 1 and onto function by taking an example. Means how can you prove that a given function is 1 and onto function. Now let us get started. 1 and onto function. 1 and onto function, that is bijection. Let f be a function, from a set A to the set B, that is a function f from A to B is called an 1 and onto function if it is first 1 to 1, that is for all x y belongs to set A, that is codomain, there exists for all x y belongs to A such that f of x is equal to f of y. So this implies x is equal to y. And second, onto, that is for all x y belongs to, that is for all y belongs to set B, that is codomain. There exists x belongs to A, that is domain, such that f of x is equal to f of x is equal to y. Then this function is called 1 and onto function. Means to prove that a function is 1 and onto, first we prove that this function is 1 function, and second that function is onto function. For example, let A and B be two sets, A containing 1, 2, 3, 4 elements and B containing A, B, C and D 4 elements. Means we illustrate 1 and onto function by taking an arrow diagram. If A is element 1 is associated to element A, element 2 is associated with B, 3 is associated with C and 4 is assigned with element D, and this association represented by set F, then this association F is called 1 and onto function, because all elements of set A having their images in set B, means different images in set B, and all elements of set B having their pre-image in set A. This means each point of set A joining to each element of set B, means only single arrow are there. Therefore, this function is called 1 and onto function. Now, let us take an example to show that a given function is 1 and onto. Means to write here question to show that a function f from real number to real number defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x, so that the function f from R to R defined by fx equal to 3 minus 4x is 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto. Solution. First issue, this function f is 1 1 function. 1 to 1, that is injectivity. To prove a given function is 1 1, we know that we take any arbitrary element in set A, that is domain. Here set A is set R, means set of real number. So let x and y be any two arbitrary elements in set R, that is domain, such that f of x is equal to f of y. So this implies, if you prove that f of x is equal to f of y, then implies that x is equal to y, then for all x and y belongs to set R, there exists a images in set R, that is codomain, and hence this is 1 1 function. The f of x, function defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. In place of f of x, we write here 3 minus 4x, and f of y, f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Then what is the value f of y? The x replaced by y here. So 3 minus 4x means y. This implies transposing 3 in right hand side, we get minus 4x is equal to 3 minus 4y minus 3. This plus 3 minus 3 cancel. This implies minus 4x is equal to minus 4y. Means if you divide minus 4 on both sides, we get here x is equal to y. Right here dividing by minus 4 are both sides, we get x is equal to y. For all x y belongs to R, that is domain. Means different elements of set R, that is codomain, had their different images in set R, that is codomain, and hence this function f from R to R is 1 1 function. Now second, onto function. Means how can we prove that this function is onto function? Onto, that is surjectivity. To prove this function is onto function, we take a arbitrary element in set R, that is codomain. To let y be an arbitrary element in set R, that is codomain. Then there exists x belongs to R, that is domain, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to here 3 minus 4x equal to y. Now transposing minus 4x in right hand side and y in left hand side. This implies 3 minus y is equal to 4x. After dividing by 4, we get x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4. Means clearly for all values of y belongs to codomain, we obtain x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4, which belongs to R, that is domain. For all y belongs to R, that is codomain. Thus, for all y belongs to R, that is codomain, there is x belongs to R, that is domain, such that f of x is equal to F of x means here there is x belongs to R codomain, there is x belongs to R codomain given by x is given by what? Find here x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4 such that f of x is equal to, if you find f of x equal to y, this shows that given function f is onto function. The f of x means f of x defined by 3 minus 4x, 3 minus 4x, here x replaced by x equal to 3 minus y upon 4, 3 minus y upon 4, 4 cancel, you find here 3 minus y, so 3, if you open the bracket, so 3 minus 3 plus y, 3 cancel, this is equal to y, means for R y belongs to R, that is codomain, we obtain x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4 belongs to R, that is domain. This shows that all elements of set R, that is codomain, have its pre-image in R, that is domain. Hence, this function f is onto function. Earlier we proved that this function f is one function, means we proved that given function f defined by fx equal to 3 minus 4x is 1 and second onto function, and hence this function f from R to R is 1 and onto function. Thank you. Have a nice day.